All right, it's time to show a little love to the '02 Chevrolet. I'm out here at the Lowe's parking lot because I wanted to be close by, supplies and materials. But here's what I'm doing. I'm doing a little interior remodeling. Oh yeah, interior remodeling. You didn't know I knew how to do that. Well, I really don't, but I hack at a lot of stuff. And, I'm hacking at this. I'll show you. But what happened is I went to a yard sale, and let me share with you and show you this. Man, here messing around. Got my DeWalt drill and my multi-tool little accessories thing. But what I did is I found this stuff here. 2 boxes of it. Let me get back outside in the sun. But I found 2 boxes of this stuff. Now this is real wood, okay? Real wood. It's pine, but it's stained, basically an oak stain, see? But it's real. Nothing fancy, but it was 2 boxes of this stuff I got for $5, okay? And I decided, well, what the hell? I really don't have enough to do anything with it. So I figured, what can I do with that stuff right there, huh? What can I possibly do? 2 boxes. Are you giving up? Well, it's definitely not going on the walls, because I've got to grind those hinges off, and they're welded onto the frame over there, or the rib. So, not the back door, not this wall over here. Well, where in the hell could I possibly put it? Well, I can't put it on that door. Can't put it on this door. So what did I do with it? Oh, you know what's left? That's right, the ceiling. Look at that, boys and girls. Woohoo! I just used self-tapping screws. And it's interlocking. I made no cuts. Nothing. No cuts at all. Now look at that. It went right to the end. Perfect. I mean, perfect. And look at the flush cut. I mean, the fit. And it fit right in that seam. And then of course all the wiring for the van went right in this little corner. So I just used what little scraps I did have, and I put them as a border right there. All right, look at this. Sweet. See? Look at that. Came right to the damn edge. And I'm gonna put a little something along in here. I'm not sure yet, kind of like just to cover up that little small gap, because that's how I had about 1 inch gap left. But nice. Look at that. Came pretty damn good. Like I said, I cut nothing. I just took the longest ones first. I took the second longest ones next. And bam, it just happened to be exactly that length. That was amazing. And of course I tucked it underneath the headliner. See, I tucked it in the headliner and then just put screws up there, and bam, the headliner is tight and flush right up against there too. Sweet. I mean, sweet. Now I'm gonna have to turn this into a party van. Remember back in the day, the vans where they used to do all the conversions to the inside? Well, now I'm gonna panel this wall. I gotta grind those hinges off. And then I've gotta figure what to do with this wall over here too, which I'm gonna look for another deal on some of this wood. And again, this is real wood. So if I ever have a fire in the van, this will be a great ignition source. Perfect. Perfect. But there you go. Well, what do you think, boys and girls, huh? Pretty cool. Oh yeah. I'm doing headliner work now. What it is I've worked, this is always the time when I take off. I've caught up with all my work. I have absolutely nothing left to do. So what I'm doing right now is I'm on a mini vacation. It happens every September because I'm right now waiting for the contracts to renew at the hospital, which I'll know on about October the 3rd. So this whole week, I had a small job this morning. I had a fairly big job yesterday, half a day. And I knew once I finished that job this morning, which only took an hour, I was going to be off. I took off the weekend, last weekend, and now it's Tuesday. We got this big storm coming in. I forgot the name of it. It starts with an I or something. But anyway, it's coming up out of the Gulf, Florida. And it's supposed to hit us Friday and Saturday. So Friday and Saturday is going to do nothing but rain here. That's all it's going to do is rain. So I figured, let's get involved in some projects, get some things done, and, and just have some fun. Because like I said, every year, same thing happens. I'll get about 6 or 7 days where, it's just basically my time. And I'm going to use it, man. I'm going to have some fun with it because right now I thought, this is not going to work. I'm going to have to do all kinds of cutting and configurating and, blah, 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 blah. But oh no, like I said, I just came out to the parking lot here, got me the screws I needed, and started installing this stuff. I got a couple little things I got to do to it, but other than that, it's there, it's done, it's in, it's solid, and it's got insulation behind it too, so I'm happy. All right, leave those comments. What do you think, man? Do you approve or not? It was sure better than looking at that ceiling. I'll be honest with you, that was what was bugging me more than anything. Now this is just cool. It's like the start of a project. It's the start of a project. All right. I'll talk to you tonight in the comments, man. What do you think?